Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's a different video. I'm doing a seafood boil. I've been obsessed with like mukbangs and like seafood mukbangs, especially because I love seafood. And I have Bloves sauce. I think that's what it is. And I really wanted to try it. So, you know, I mean, if you don't like smacking, I'm not much of a smacker, but you know, I'm just gonna eat regularly and like talk about certain things. So I'm gonna say grace. God is killing guys, okay, thank you for food, amen. So the first thing I'm gonna try is this potato. I'm literally so excited, you guys. I know, I'm supposed to be losing weight and this is what I'm doing. Stupid. This is so weird. God damn, that's good. I don't like to talk when I'm eating food. But I have crab legs here. I have some turkey sausages because I don't want to eat red meat anymore. I have some scallops, but they fried it and I don't know why they fried it like this. Some jumbo shrimp, corn, and potatoes. I'm gonna try the scallop. I haven't really tried scallops before. That's actually really good. And it's really chewy. This is like totally different from a makeup tutorial. Don't you hate those mukbangers that like the sauce is dripping all over their face and they just leave it there the whole video? Like, y'all probably don't even watch seafood mukbangs, but. And I'm supposed to be on a diet, but that's dead. This is legit gonna be my only meal. And then I'm back to like smoothies and stuff. Yo, it's hot in here because I have to turn off my AC. Why is this so hard? Ouch. I'm from Maryland, so you know, eating crabs is like what we do here. And I see a lot of people using scissors. I just use my fingers because it's not that deep. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, it's hot as hell. And I have a smoothie here. Don't judge me. It's really good. I put like raspberries, blueberries, almond milk, and pineapple. And it was so good. How do people do this? Like, have you ever sat down and did a mukbang by yourself, like without recording, watching a mukbang? I'm gonna try one of these shrimp. And like, usually I don't like shrimp, especially if they're not deveined. Ugh. Bro, they couldn't take the shells off for me. This shit was expensive. I'm not wasting no meat. I don't know how these people can do seafood mukbangs like every freaking time, like, because this seafood shit is expensive. Oh my gosh, you know who I watch on YouTube? His name is Mark Wayans, and every time he eats something, this is how he does. I feel like watching mukbangs are weird, but still normal at the same time. Because clearly I'm doing it. Who do you guys watch? Like, as mukbangers? Like, who are your favorite mukbangers? Is that even a word? Mukbangers? I watch Bloves. And I watch Kim Tai. I watch Mark Wayne's. My first mukbanger, I think I watched the Mo Show. She was cool. This shit is like so unhealthy. Like all that butter. I'm gonna have to run tonight. Like, I'm not even kidding. I'm gonna have to run for the rest of the night. This is so sweet though. I'm so scared about doing mukbangs because, like, I'm African and we don't, like, we're cute, but we don't eat really pretty. I told my mom I was going on a diet. She's gonna watch this and be like, is this your diet? Comment down below if you guys like stuff like this, and then I might do more of them, but. And I've always wanted to do a mukbang, but every time I get like a big platter of food, I'm sitting down watching Love and Hip Hop. Yo, having nails is the best thing ever, because you can get in that crab leg and get all the meat. I don't know how people can do this. I'm already full. I don't eat that much. There's a lot. Like, 1 potato and 2 sausages is usually what I would eat normally. And then you gotta eat with your hands too. This is so barbaric. I hate when people do that and they go, do people really eat like that? Like, in real life? This corn is really good. I'm not supposed to be talking about the food. Like, this corn's delicious. Mmm. It's sweet. Keeps squirting everywhere. I still can't look ratchet, guys. Bruh. I wish I could, like, I wish I could share this with somebody. Why couldn't they peel this part for me? I don't want to do this. I just feel like the texture of shrimp is so weird. But this one actually is good. It's just the sauce, man. How do they eat this by themselves? If you're Ghanaian and watching this, I want some kinky. Quesito. So I can eat it. This had nothing in there. Yeah, we don't need no scissors here. Use your teeth. Ouch. Yeah. Bruh. Nope, not gonna catch me slipping. This is gonna have me sleep. Let's go right in for the sweet, savory corn. How do I even edit a video like this? I asked them to season it. They ain't even put no Old Bay. How are you from Maryland, but you don't put Old Bay on your crabs when someone asks you to season it? Ooh. Who's cute? Gosh, I've never been so exhausted eating. How I'm eating is probably how I ate on my first date. Actually, my first date with Mark, I didn't eat. I was too nervous. Because I knew I'd eat like this. So I was like, oh, hell no. I don't know how people do this. I think I'm going to do one more leg and I'm done. Like, I haven't even gotten to the crab bodies yet. Like,
not that much. We got 2 legs left, 4 potatoes, 6 scrimps, 4 scallops. And you gotta eat the inside of that crab. Don't be playing.
And this fucking sauce full of butter.
Water.
I need water. And they're supposed to be like, oh, that's a lot of meat. Oh, that's a good one.
10-pound crabs from.
I think I was done after like the second potato that I had. So, thank you guys so much for watching this mukbang. Give me a thumbs up if you guys would like to see more mukbangs. I can't finish all of this. I'm going to have to give it to... I can't give it to Malik because he don't eat meat. I'll give it to Mark because Mark eats meat. My eyes are bigger than my belly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later when I don't have the itis. Bye!